Numerous global companies aim for world-class maintenance. The high standards in all corporate sectors lead to a continuous improvement of all processes. This is also the case here.
Sluis Eefde is het begin van het Twentekanaal.
The lock in Eefde connects the IJssel with the Twente Canal and thus the hinterland of Twente. Many companies are located there. For them, this canal is the most important canal for transport, and traffic increases. The ships are becoming bigger and bigger.
Project bij de sluis Eefde.
The lock in Eefde is a special project. I'm sure that many parties will learn from it. The development is very positive. The different parties, irrespective of discipline, size, public or private, they're all working hand in hand. Everyone incorporates his knowledge and skills. It's like being at university. All parties are working together. Everyone fulfills his role and has his share, assisting, presenting knowledge about the products and learning what is best. This is how it works for a lock, such as the Eefde. IFM Octavis, for example, ensures the problem-free opening and closing of the lock by permanently monitoring vibrations and by providing signals even before serious changes can considerably disturb the process and the canal can no longer be used.
Bij ongeplande storingen of ongeplande...
There are no unforeseen errors or unplanned maintenance. We try to plan the maintenance of the lock as precisely as possible so that the skippers can prepare for it.
100% voorspelbaarheid.
100% predictability. This is important for us. This means that preventative or corrective maintenance is now a thing of the past. We measure all data to allow optimum planning and implementation of the required maintenance work. We call predictive maintenance when we measure data, collect data and get information from it to carry out maintenance at the right point of time. At this moment, TBI is building a new lock, in addition to the maintenance of the existing lock. We can use the things we learn here for the design and implementation of the new lock. Therefore, the findings we make here on the technical level have a great impact on new objects, but also on the renovation task, which comes from the Rijkswaterstaat.
IFM is een belangrijke speler binnen dit...
IFM is playing an important role in this project because they contribute a lot of knowledge of sensors, applications of these sensors in other industries, and a lot of experience which can also be used in this context. I am very happy about it.